So today I'd like to show you this wireless meat thermometer. So that's how it looks like. So inside you can see the probe, our thermometer, and this device that I'm holding is like the charger. And of course that is the user manual, and in here we've got charging cable. So this thermometer is using Bluetooth 5.2, so this means it has like a better connection, and it's not going to like use connectivity even if your phone is somewhere else than the thermometer is, so that is great. And the way you use it is like you insert this thermometer into your meat, and ideally you would want to insert it up to this point, but it's not really necessary. Like in my case, I've just inserted it like a little up to this point and it was still working, so that's fine. And so in order to use this one, of course, you'll need to use the app that is called Probe Plus, and you'll be able to find all the details about that in the manual. As you can see, it was very easy to use this one. You've got like a different presets depending on the type of meat, but in general it was very easy and I would definitely recommend it.